have with us Kiran Dixit ji, one of the stunning artists who brings alive her experiences from Shantiniketan. Uh, Kiran ji, we want to know about your present artwork being displayed here so beautifully.
My present artwork is again Shantiniketan inspiration. The trees of Shantiniketan with the langurs and some Santhal men smoking, talking, they'll be there. It'll take me at least 2-3 years to do that because the next exhibition here will be in 3 years' time. So you'll see big trees, life-size trees, not chote-mote trees.
I want to know what makes you take inspiration from Tagore ji.
Everything,
Okay.
especially, anything that moves inspires me. I always see, when I go out for a walk, I'm always watching. Oh, I see patterns in the nature.
So, as you have traveled abroad also and from India, so I want to know your perception of art and how people perceive art.
How people perceive Indian art?
Yes.
Whenever from my college we visit National Gallery, we visit the British Museum and all these places with the whole class. And they will take me to the bronze site and say, this Kiran is an expert in it. So I had to tell them about the Chola period and this period. Sometimes I make it up, sometimes I read. They have respect for art. We are getting away from the basics here, right? There is a lot of emphasis in Indian colleges on modernism, abstractism, all that. Where in West at the moment, people are going back to basics. Life drawings. My teacher in college told me, you must first learn all the basics. You should be able to do anatomy of a person properly before you can distort it. If you know how to draw, then you can make anything with it. Now look, some of the drawings are very, very detailed, but some are superimposed, taken advantage of whatever I want to do.
So, with an advent of AI and digital art, so how do you see art evolving and progressing?
I am dead worried about A1. What is going to do to us? I don't know. I see some painting in Visual Art Gallery in Delhi, which were more realist than a photograph. And she wrote, I've taken, these are drawn by the A1. She didn't do anything about it. So I was worried. But then somebody told me the other day, when camera came out, the impressionist painter in abroad were also worried, right? You took, when everybody then started to use camera, and then they got bored. But camera is its own place.
True.
We will have our own place.
I want to know about some memories that you have with
where?
your great guru.
Some memories.
Yes.
Oh yes, I have fantastic memories. When I was a young girl, studying in Kala Bhavan in 1964-65, my Gurudev and the Michelangelo of Indian art, Ram Kinkar Bej, was my teacher and an admirer. And I'd sometimes look back and say, my life would have been different. I had taken he proposed to me every morning. When we had a class, he said, Kiran, when are we getting married? And I used to say to him, Kinkarda, let's wait. Let's see. Because he was actually older than my father.
She's one of the alive students of Kinkarji.
Kinkarda.
She has beautifully shared one of those great memories with me. So, if you were to talk about this artwork right here, what would you like to say and elaborate on the beautiful artwork and these chickens and hens around us?
My sculptures are my children. I talk to them, I live with them. My whole house is full of sculptures. People come and stay, they have to live with them. Every room has sculptures. Wood carving, stone carving. I don't bring them because it's so bloody difficult to bring here. This is my life.
Yes.
It has saved me from depression. I started to learn now because I think teachers can be only good teachers if they can learn all the time new things in life. Every situation should teach you something. Then only you can pass your knowledge.
As she has explored each and every material and turned it to an art, I want to ask her some words of wisdom that you can share with young talents. Words of wisdom that you would like to share forward
From where?
from your journey, your inspiring journey that
Passion,
you have.
commitment. I'm very focused person. Thank you very much for your kindness.
It was glad connecting with you.
Thank you.